Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you sounds unbelievable, but it's backed by real clinical research. In one study, men who ate a specific nut for just 3 weeks experienced dramatic improvements in firmness, duration, and satisfaction. Some even said the results rivaled prescription medications. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll reveal which nut it is, why it works so powerfully, and exactly how much you need to eat to see results. The study that started it all. Researchers took men with erectile dysfunction and told them to eat just 100 grams of pistachios daily. That's about 2 handfuls for 3 weeks. No meds, no supplements, no other interventions. After 3 weeks, massive improvements in erection strength, firmness, duration, and satisfaction. This wasn't a small difference, it was life-changing. Why pistachios work? The secret lies in L-arginine, a natural amino acid pistachios are packed with. Your body converts L-arginine into nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to flow into the penis. Without nitric oxide, no amount of stimulation can create a firm erection. Pistachios don't just boost nitric oxide production. Their antioxidants protect it from breaking down too quickly, meaning longer, stronger results. The antioxidant power. Pistachios are among the most antioxidant-rich nuts on Earth. They're full of polyphenol, compounds that repair and protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage, the rust that stiffens arteries with age. Healthier, more elastic blood vessels mean better circulation, stronger erections, and longer-lasting performance. Healthy fats and hormone support. Pistachios are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the same healthy fats your body needs to make testosterone. They also improve cholesterol balance by lowering LDL and raising HDL. Better cholesterol equals better blood flow, equals better erectile function. It's simple, natural biochemistry. Plant sterols and testosterone balance. Another hidden gem in pistachios is beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that helps maintain healthy testosterone balance. It reduces excess conversion of testosterone into estrogen or DHT, helping preserve more of your active, performance-supporting testosterone. Minerals that matter. Pistachios deliver a perfect combo of minerals for male health. Zinc for testosterone, magnesium for blood vessel function, potassium for cardiovascular balance, copper for strong vessel walls. Together, they create a synergistic matrix that supports firmness, stamina, and recovery. How much to eat and when? The sweet spot is 1.5 to 3.5 ounces per day, roughly 50 to 100 pistachios. Eat them anytime, morning, afternoon, or divided into 2 snacks. Consistency matters more than timing. Some men notice an extra boost when eaten a few hours before intimacy, but the real power comes from daily, long-term use. Easy ways to add them. Here are easy ways to add pistachios daily. Eat them as a snack, in-shell slows you down. Add chopped pistachios to oatmeal or yogurt. Blend into smoothies. Make pistachio butter. Use crushed pistachios as a coating for fish or chicken. Add them to salads or energy bites. Other nuts that help. For complete sexual health support, rotate pistachios with walnuts, omega-3s for vascular health, Brazil nuts, selenium for testosterone, almonds, vitamin E plus magnesium, cashews, rich in zinc. Mixing these creates the ultimate men's health blend: hormone support, antioxidant power, and blood flow enhancement. Lifestyle multipliers. To supercharge results, pair pistachios with these habits. Stay hydrated. Erections depend on blood volume. Exercise. Both cardio and resistance training improve testosterone. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Most testosterone is made during deep sleep. Manage stress. Cortisol kills libido. Quit smoking. It destroys blood vessels. Supportive supplements. You can enhance pistachio benefits with vitamin D 2000 to 5000 IU, vitamin C 500 to 1000 milligrams, vitamin E 200 to 400 IU, B complex, magnesium glycinate 200 to 400 milligrams, zinc 15 to 30 milligrams. These amplify nitric oxide, hormone balance, and vascular strength. Start tomorrow. Eat 2 handfuls of pistachios a day for 8 weeks. Track your energy, firmness, and confidence, and you'll likely see real transformation. If you found this helpful, Hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and remember, your sexual health is your total health. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.